Hello everyone, Dave here with a rather unconventional video that you would normally find on my channel. You mostly find games, figures, movies, and stuff like that, but you never figure smartphones. That's because I'm normally not a smartphone guy, but ever so often something comes around that I think kind of speaks to me. I think it caters to at least some kind of department in my life, and I feel like Kodak did that with the Kodak Ektra. So I'm going to be reviewing this phone because God knows that I need a new phone, because this is what I'm currently using right now, and as you can tell, I am not ashamed of doing so. But it is a little frustrating that I cannot text and call and do many other things at the exact same time. So out with the old, in with the new, with this brand new year, and I feel like it's a good way to enter the new year with this new Kodak Ektra. So I'm going to be doing a little quick of an unboxing prior to jumping into the review, so let's get to it. First and foremost, as you can see, you got the box right here with the traditional golden yellow color choice that Kodak has always been known for, along with their logo here. And there you go, Kodak Ektra, along with a nice little shiny pattern going on here on the right side of the box that can only be shown through light, which I think is very poetic considering that they are a photo and film company, so it makes sense that lighting is what's going to be showing this off, so that's pretty neat. So that's at the top. On the sides, you just got the Kodak Ektra logo along with a little bit more of that reflective pattern. Then on the sides, you got some UPC codes as well as some other business mumbo jumbo. Same thing over here on this side, and then on the the narrower side, you got Kodak Ektra once more. Then on the bottom, you actually have, let me flip it around so that you can kind of take a look at it. If you want to read it to yourself, you can go ahead and screenshot that or pause the video and just read it for yourself. But on the bottom in black, we have a little bit of a description as to what exactly motivated Kodak to make a smartphone, specifically a smartphone that caters to photographers and videographers and huge enthusiasts and professionals that love that art form. So I feel like I fit into that demographic, and that's why I went with this phone. That's honestly about it for the box. It's got a cool little matte finish, so I really appreciate that. Now it's time to jump into the contents inside. So let's remove the little void stickers here at the bottom to let the manufacturers, or most specifically the people who sell the phones, know that you already opened the bastard. So as soon as you return it, you're going to get a restocking fee. Because Lord knows that's exactly what's going to happen. I mean, come on. Alright. So now let's remove the lid and see what awaits us inside. And this is my favorite part. Alright, ooh, okay, now we're talking. So moving this a little bit to the side, centerfold that, centerfold. Right here we got a little bit of an insert, and within the insert there's yet more of that glossy patterning that we found on the lid earlier, only this time it's in black. So you can tell right there. And there's a little lift here, take that out, flip it out like that, and inside is the smartphone. So let me see how I can actually kind of get in here and take it out. I think I'm just going to take the box, kind of shake it out a little bit, and hopefully not risk dropping the phone. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That is good. All right, cool. Now we're in business. So here is the phone itself. On the back we have the business side, which is pretty much the screen, and then the front we got the capturing artful side with the little photographic or photo camera designed to the shell, as well as the giant ass lens. In case you couldn't already tell, that the emphasis on this phone is photography and video. So there you go. More on that a little bit later when we jump into the review. I'm gonna set that gently to the side, then reach in here, and I think we pull this out. All right. A little insert there, move that to the side where the lid's at, and then there, got this hole, so I'm imagining we're gonna do a quick lift. Alright, so we're getting a little Apple-ish there with our design choices, and then inside, rather loose, so that's a little disappointing, but okay. We have the power adapter along with the USB port, as you can see right there, and then of course the obligatory USB cable. And I believe this is a Type-C cable, so we're moving on with the times. Move that to the side, and then a strap so that you're able to tie this to your belt buckle or what have you. Make sure you're not losing your phone. And what's kind of cool is that the strap is actually rather durable. It feels like it's flexing a little bit even. So that's pretty neat. Move that to the side, and then inside I think we just have limited warranty, mumbo jumbo, and then of course the Kodak Ektra smartphone quick start guide. A little bit small, but it looks rather detailed, so I'll be digging a little deeper into this bad boy to see what the phone can do. What's kind of interesting is that in the back we have this little piece of metal. What exactly that is used for, I don't know, but I'll figure that out myself. So I'm going to break the video here, gonna spend some time with this phone, and then come right back with my thoughts and impressions and my review of the Kodak Ektra. So stay tuned. It kind of tries to do what certain other asymmetrical multiplayer games do, where one character is this big powerful thing and then the other characters are just regular humans trying to take it down, a la Friday the 13th right now. Evolve, however, wasn't as pristine and polished as, well, neither is Friday the 13th.